Hi guys, you're welcome back to Nigeria News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist, and all that news happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications. Happening today, meet the Yahoo Boy that caused Iyabo Ojo and Fathia Balogun's fight. Nollywood actress and mother of two, Iyabo Ojo, in a latest statement has thrown a shade at her fellow actress Fathia Williams. Even though she didn't mention any name, a read through her statement showed she was referring to Fathia Williams. Iyabo Ojo expressed in a statement, "After all I did for you 2 years ago to celebrate your birthday in Turkey, you still snitched on me, giving me their fake news that I was in coma for 3 days." A little finding showed that Fathia Williams' 49th birthday was celebrated in Turkey in 2018 and Iyabo Ojo was present. Fathia Balogun celebrated her 51st birthday yesterday, but Iyabo Ojo proceeded to fire at her. She wrote, "You never cease to amaze me, and I am not surprised because you remain number one Agbaya in Nollywood. No self-respect at all. You envy the young ones and pretend to love the ones that you benefit from. Somehow at the end, you still ain't loyal. After all I did for you 2 years ago to celebrate your birthday in Turkey, you still snitched on me, giving me their fake news that I was in coma for 3 days. You wish because you knew about my surgery. I knew you hoped and prayed I died. That's why you never came to see me afterwards. But guess what? My God passed you. He's mightier than you. My God disappointed you and your team. I'm still living, girl. You are a witch, yes, so. But guess what? I'm that lioness who will always come out victorious no matter how hard you try to pull me down or destroy my name spiritually. Darkness and light can never be on the same page. I make bold to say you are a terrible person. Back off, witch. Enjoy your birthday. Remember I named it." A Yahoo Boy has been identified as the reason why Iyabo Ojo attacked Fathia Williams on her birthday. An IG blogger revealed that Fathia Williams snatched the Yahoo Boy from her after she introduced her to me. What got Iyabo Ojo more angry at the point of ranting on social media yesterday is that the man sponsored a birthday party for Fathia Williams. Well, Iyabo Ojo took a pound of flesh from Fathia Williams, and it has nothing to do with a rant in which she called her a witch. According to IG blogger Gist Lover Update, while Fathia Williams enjoyed a birthday sponsored by the man she snatched from Iyabo Ojo, her estranged husband Saidi Balogun, who shares same birthday date with her, was getting hosted by Iyabo Ojo. Wow. The fight between these two ladies I'm not sure it's going to come to an end very soon. Iyabo Ojo and Fathia Balogun fight still continues. So guys, what do you think about this fight? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.